Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a super quick nail art video to share using the Moroccan Nail Vinyls from What's Up Nails. These are some of my favorite vinyls to use. I just love this pattern and I love how you can really dress it up or dress it down. And yeah, let's go ahead and get on into the video. So for my base, I'm going to be using Heroine NYC's Rose All Day, which is a beautiful metallic rose gold polish. I'm going to apply 2 coats as my base, and then I'm going to apply a layer of a fast drying top coat because I'm going to be using vinyls on top, and that top coat is going to help prevent lifting of the polish when I remove the vinyl. I made sure that layer of top coat was completely dry, and then I took one stencil from the sheet and placed it directly on my nail, and then I just used the pad of my finger to push down in all areas to make sure that there were no gaps underneath. Next, I'm going to use Heroine NYC's Between the Sheets, which is a pinky nude cream polish, and these stencils work best when you use opaque creams on top because you'll only need one layer of that polish. So I'm just going to apply a generous coat of that and then immediately remove the vinyl. And to complete this design, I finished it off with one more layer of a fast drying top coat to add a super glossy shine to this design. And here is the finished design. So that's all for today's nail art video. I love using these vinyls and switching up the color combinations. I love using it both as a full hand nail art as well as just like a nail art accent. And I will leave a link down below to where you can shop these vinyls as well as the polishes that I used in this video. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, but anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!